Alright, ebusi am just one say girl way, dey me the videos egu way. Now the main tie video back on number.
Abaya wa hase. What school no ya drama. Ona bo intaka problem intaka me still to what school no ya drama case.
So guys, in the first video no, na Odi Minister for Health, kwabena intaka do dey no fel. Na second video no, yan hwe no sombra.
Amba me so. As I speak right now, the NSS yan chia o. Me area me Pikachu me say because of Sikawe. Me Pikachu me say me to aba. I should go and tell my colleagues again to I enjoy. And someone yes, I can mention it.
So Abusuya
Hon Asenso Boagye. Back to my MP.
He told you that?
Yes, he told me. He told me that. He told me that. Say,
Abusuya Sanders ni way. Videos me na me yichi on back Minister for Health kwabena intaka no Odi no fel. Second one so no o make allegations against a member of parliament the Bantima Honorable Asenso Boagye. I'm not gonna say there. Honorable Francis Asenso Boagye at the press statement about Bontin Ebusuya. The person who knew the kind press statement no ebom. And don't you say false allegations circulating on social media? That to the press statement no say. My attention has been drawn to video circulating on social media in which a young lady claiming to be a nurse alleges that during the election period she approached me over unpaid nursing training allowances, and I told her if she won't vote because her allowances have not been paid, then that is fine. For the avoidance of doubts, I have never had any such encounter or conversation with this individual, nor with any student nurse regarding allowances. There is no nursing training institution in my constituency, Bantima. While Confirmatory Teaching Hospital has a nursing school, it does not fall under Bantima constituency. I therefore have no direct constituency dealings with nursing trainings. In all my years of public service as a legislator, a former minister of state and deputy chief of staff at the presidency, I have never been responsible for the administration of nursing training allowances, nor have I had any direct portfolio in the health sector. It is therefore strange, incoherent, and deeply misleading for my name to be associated with this matter. This allegation is false, baseless, and deliberate attempt to drag my name into needless political propaganda. I urge the public to disregard it completely. Anyone who knows the identity of the lady in the said video should kindly provide her details. I remain focused on dedicating my energy to serving the people of Bantima and contributing meaningful to national development. Francis Asenso Boagye, member of parliament, Bantima constituency. So where in the response of that about say, onim girl no baby on share ne da. Na ono kwani constituency e Bantima no. Nursing training bi ani ho. Eye Confirmatory Teaching Hospital no. Nursing school na ho no. It doesn't fall under Bantima constituency. Na nabra bo nyina as member of parliament, former minister of state, and former deputy chief of staff no. Ono no yemfa no to sector bi a efa health and say allowances won sensema ye nursing training allowances yemfa no to be a onim ho hwe eno nti onhia nurse ni bia ni omundi nkomamfa eye nursing training allowances so eno nti onim ge wo bebia a oni ni nkomwo bo bebia o mom no ono neduma na oye ne de se oba so besom Ghana man no aboa ede hyehyɛ pa abama Ghana ne Bantima constituency nya so mfa so eno nti no ge we asma ode nam no eyen tro yen dada onim girl no be bia eno to onim girl no details no provide na girl ni be kire be kura o hia na o kasa sem na kire nya sa de a emra no ene girl ni be di say wo twantro e friend say eye defamation of character twantro e da to a former minister of state and a member of parliament so nti we eye letter and as a press statement member of parliament e de Bantima eye honorable Francis Asenso Boagye e de Bounty me dasi His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ghana man panyini, Minister of Finance Ato Forsen, Minister of Health Kwabena Minta Kando, and after Minister for Education Helena Idrusu menemo ewon komo. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Obekai 2024 during campaign no okache teacher for the nurses for say omuntu abama na so mo ba we make sure say omo ya for mo adwuma mu ni nyina no obetua omuka ama omo nso school omo koy ya omo so person omo so man Ghana na omo chire nkwala di number to say wo Mr. President, wo Minister for Finance, Minister for Education, Minister for Health no omo be to say mo no obetua omuka mo maba be chire nkwala mo maba to say mo nurses no midwives omo wo eye hospital la se enua no ana yakase yare a ye be kwa mama bua na oma giyen na oma hwe ya ma ye ho atoye no se ekomo di no a obeye den na wetimi ama enya sympathy mpo ama patient na odampa no so no na wetime treat ni ye eno ti na pen pe be call hospital na nurse ni to na bu afu enya se de bu na afu ekomo de ni fisef na opon didi ye ekomo de no because of the edanka ekomo de ni because no free to no ekomo de no ekomo de ni because baby otene like bi mpon timi ntua insuo ontimi ntua ebimu bobosia obi ko school we na ma ahwe no from nursery kindergarten primary JHS SHS akọ nursing training na wie aye national service am ya posting no for 1 good year 10 months 9 months na so onja akuto that to this kind of hono mo a na mfa so be na o se na mama de ko school. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama munja ise mo politicizing ni ama na mo clearance no aban na ofa mo no o ma mo clearance jai se ansem na wo kan because Ghana ha no mo bia nim se ansem na be fa obi no e was our teachers and nurses ni sa we no finance minister na ministry of finance edika my clearance ansana ya before mo ntino say ye let an ka ba bontin ya ye ka say ya clearance for number of so people I ba be employ mo into kind of saying Ghana Education Service and National Ministry of Health am ba koye adwuma as nurses and teachers enunti sa asem na mo de na munjai ka na even pono sanke am mo clearance kra na e ba ne saying that the same number of people near form the same day no e munya clearance na e munya clearance. It doesn't make sense, right? Now put everything aside. You are the government in power. Fix the damn thing and pay them now. That is why we voted for you. You were the president, the person I'll come home. You promised them, say, Oba, you make them feel, say, Omu Ghana for. Today you are treating them as if, say, Omu Yawo. You are treating them as if they are slaves in their own country. You went to the United Nations, and I can say, the biggest, kind of saying, sin a year before years as slave trade. Now, what is happening here is a modern day slavery. You should pay them now and behave as the president that you are. They did not vote for you to come and laugh. You are enjoying with your people. You guys are receiving pays. You, the MPs, the ministers, all of you are receiving pays. Pay them now. They are also human beings like you. They can hold the position you guys are holding. Don't think you are human beings than them. You are not human beings than them. So pay them. Pay them. That is the reason why you are the president, the first gentleman of the land. All the powers are invested in you. So use those power and find a way to pay them. They are also human beings and they deserve better. Our nurses and teachers deserve better. Pay them and even increase their pays. Peace. Shalom. Bye-bye. First, no more say Dr. Baumia and I can form peno and I can form someone peno. After who say omo customer Dr. Baumia nyina ye account for omo nyina ka me say no. And almost say the crown crown to no mu say and also ye ntro because Dr. Baumia per region and of East region and na MPP vote na 2024 no e course ro all the compare 2020 ya if not understanding now Northeast penny nya vote e course ro all the other regions they vote back from the say the crown for na mo pe na mo to abade man no afa de oni me de nam omo de kwa na yede so na yede kwa na onye na ni me bawo kwa mi nkroma na ne yire efri Egypt obeye president of Ghana ha yakase papa onya ne be ko His Excellency the former president the late Jerry John Rawlings or you have Ghanaian and I think they have no papa Denmark news then but obeye president of Ghana ha Barack Obama of free Africa okoya president USA can I saying this president upon we Liberia upon we our Tedino upon we ofri in Ghana and okoya president of Liberia I don't know mo campaign na tonsium a tonsium campaign na tonsium and that's the reason why you are just trying to attack Her Excellency the incoming First Lady of the Republic of Ghana, Hajia Samira Bawumia. Den. She is going to be the next First Lady of the Republic of Ghana. And you guys, and no one in this country can change it. I'm telling you, no one in this country can change it. The same way I'm going to take for the team president. Now, your mommy, former First Lady, your mommy Rebecca, team First Lady. Now, oh, Baba, you know. Sada Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Baba president na ne yere Hajia Samira Bawumia aka Nyansa nyina ewura e Baba the First Lady of Ghana ono e no betimi abɛboa ma Ghana ɛmaa no yapagya ɔmo de ɔmo akɔ soro ɛno nti ɛna ɔde Samira ɛyɛ women empowerment aba ɔde boa ɛmaa Samira women empowerment a ɔde boa ɛmaa nti woyɛ ɔbaa na sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ obi so wasene a hagya Samira sɛ bra Samira ɛyɛ women empowerment na ɔyɛ den ɔempower wo ɔba bi sɛ ne ahwehwɛ wo ɛnyɛ kasa rich in ideas no be mouth talk no be mouth talk me hwɛ ne video bi ɔ say ɛna ɛyi ne yire no kɔ ne constituency ɛso 2024 no ɔkɔto aba no ɔkɔto aba no ɛwɔ wɔnum ɔn fui boka pe da tonsuo mu atonsuo mu